Once upon a time, in a quiet town, lived a beautiful girl named Lena. She was 20 years old. Lena had green eyes and brown hair. Her family was poor, but they were happy. They lived in a small cottage and loved each other very much. Lena loved to read books. She dreamed of a better life. One day she went to the town market. There she met a boy named Ethan. Ethan was tall and handsome. He had dark brown hair and a kind smile. Ethan came from a wealthy family. His parents owned a large estate and many businesses. Lena and Ethan became friends. They talked a lot and laughed together. They liked to walk in the meadows and along the river. Ethan shared his dreams, and Lena spoke of her hopes. They felt very close to each other. One day, Ethan said to Lena, "I love you, Lena. Will you marry me?" Lena was overjoyed. She replied, "Yes, Ethan, I love you too." They hugged and dreamed about their future together. But there was a problem. Ethan's parents did not approve of Lena. They believed she wasn't good enough for their son because she came from a poor family. Ethan's mother said, "Ethan, you cannot marry Lena. She isn't from a wealthy background." His father agreed. "You must find someone from a family like ours." Ethan was heartbroken. He loved Lena and didn't want to lose her. He told his parents, "I love Lena. She is kind and good. Money doesn't matter." But they refused to listen. They warned him, "If you marry her, we will no longer support you." Lena learned about this and was deeply saddened. She loved Ethan but didn't want to create problems for him. She said, "Maybe it's better if we don't marry. I don't want to make your life harder." Ethan replied, "No, Lena, I will always love you. We'll find a way." Days passed as Ethan tried to change his parents' minds, but they remained firm. Lena's family was also worried. Her mother told her, "We love you and want your happiness, but maybe it's better to let Ethan go." Lena cried many nights, unsure of what to do. One day, she made a decision. She went to Ethan and said, "I love you very much, but I think it's better if we don't marry. Your parents will never accept me, and I don't want to make your life harder." Ethan was devastated. He said, "Lena, I can't live without you, but I understand. I'll always love you." They hugged and cried. Though their love was strong, the world was against them. Lena and Ethan decided to remain friends and support each other, though their hearts were broken. Lena stayed with her family, worked hard, and helped her neighbors. The townspeople loved her for her kindness. Ethan also worked hard, helping with his family's business, and was respected for his fairness. One day, Lena's father fell seriously ill. Lena cared for him day and night, praying for his recovery. When Ethan heard about it, he went to see her. "Lena, I'm sorry to hear about your father. Can I help?" Lena was moved by his kindness. Ethan brought medicine and food for her family. He visited often. Slowly, Lena's father got better. Lena said, "Ethan, thank you. You have a big heart." Ethan replied, "I'll always be here for you." They began spending more time together again, talking and laughing. They still loved each other, but Ethan's parents still disapproved. So, They chose to stay friends and continue supporting each other. Eventually, Ethan had to go to the city for work. He told Lena, "I'll be gone for a while, but I'll write to you." Lena was sad but understanding. "I'll miss you. Take care," she said. In the city, Ethan worked hard and learned many things. He wrote letters to Lena about his life. Lena replied, telling him about the village. Through their letters, they stayed close. Time passed. Ethan became successful and saved money. He never forgot Lena. She also missed him but was glad for his success. One day, Ethan returned to Willowbrook to see her. He knocked on her door. Lena was surprised and happy. "Ethan, you're back," she said. They talked for hours about their lives, laughing and reminiscing. "I still love you," Ethan said. "I want to be with you." Lena smiled, but hesitated. "What about your parents?" she asked. Ethan replied, "I've saved enough. I can support us. I don't need their approval anymore." Lena was touched. "I'm proud of you, Ethan, but I don't want to cause problems." Ethan said, "Lena, you are my happiness. I want to be with you." They decided to be together, despite the challenges. They got married in a small ceremony with their families and friends. Lena's family was overjoyed. Ethan's parents didn't attend, but that didn't stop them. Their love was stronger than the obstacles. They moved to the city and built a new life together. They worked hard and supported one another. Though life wasn't always easy, their love helped them overcome every difficulty. Years passed. Lena and Ethan had children and raised them with love and kindness. They never forgot their journey and the trials they faced. They believed true love was strong enough to endure anything. Lena and Ethan grew old together. They looked back on their lives with joy and gratitude. Their love had made them better, stronger, and happier people. And so, Lena and Ethan lived happily ever after, always cherishing the love they had shared. They knew that true love never dies, and in each other, they had found something truly beautiful.